Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix hair washing machine not draining water. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there's a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So in this case, if your hair washing machine isn't draining water or showing the LD error, again, there's a few steps. So first is you want to check your drain pump filter. So this is one of the most common culprits. So your washer has a filter located at the bottom, so it might be clogged. So you want to go ahead and open up the little door that you see here at the bottom of the washer. So it's usually at the front, as you can see right now on my screen. Now you want to carefully pull out the filter and check for any lints, debris, or even small objects that might have been stuck there. Now clean out completely, maybe put some hose on it, so just to make sure that it's fully clean, then put it back in security and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you might want to do is you want to check your drain hose. So in this case, the drain hose can also cause issues for your washing machine. So in this case, the hose might be pushed too far into the drain pipe. So if so, you want to pull it back a bit, and it should only be inserted part way. So too far can cause like siphon effects and mess up the draining. Now also, you want to check if the hose is bent or kinked. So in this case, if the hose is crimped or squished, you want to make sure they are properly positioned. So water won't flow properly here. Straighten it out so it has a nice smooth path, or the water has a smooth path to flow to. Now, another thing that you want to do is you want to check for siphoning. Now, sometimes the drain hose, again, itself, might be set up in a way that causes water to flow back into the washer. So, in this case, make sure the drain hose loops higher than the water level. So, think of it as a U shape with the curve being at least 6 to 8 above the stand pipe or drain. Now, in this case, to prevent this in the future, you want to clean the drain pump filter here regularly, and make sure to also make sure the hose or drain here isn't crimped or pushed too far in, and also avoid overloading the washers, as it can actually put unnecessary strain on the system. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.